Did you know your iPhone or iPad can read text out loud to you? Whether you're multitasking, visually impaired, or just prefer listening, here's how to turn it on. Start by opening the Settings app, then tap on Accessibility. After that, under the Vision section, choose Spoken Content. Then, toggle on Speak selection to highlight and read selected text. After that, turn on Speak Screen. This lets you swipe with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to read everything on it. Then, tap on Voices to choose from different languages and accents. After that, open Safari, Notes, or any other app with text. To hear selected text, tap and hold to highlight it, then swipe to the right and select Speak. Or just swipe down with 2 fingers from the top to hear the full screen read aloud. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.